Hello everyone, and welcome back to BLE Tech Decoded. I'm Andy. Didn't we just witness Aridcon's MN54L module smash through the wind turbine barrier, achieving ultra-long-range communication beyond 2 kilometers last time?
Hey, I'm Mike. That's right. That was the straight-line speed test on the open beach. But Andy, we all know that in the world of industrial IoT, the true arch nemesis isn't distance, it's metal shielding.
You hit the nail on the head, so Aridcon immediately took on this hardcore challenge. This time, the research topic is super cool. RF signal penetration in high attenuation environments and empirical study.
The pain point they're tackling is the metal shielding effect. In warehouses, logistics centers, or data centers, you're surrounded by metal shelves, cabinets, and even shipping containers. These act like Faraday cages, instantly killing wireless signals and creating communication blind spots.
Exactly. The objective this time was to quantify the penetration capability and link stability of the MN54L-C15 module. They placed the module inside a 40-foot shipping container, specifically in the deepest rear position, the farthest point from the receiver, the driver. This is literally setting the difficulty to hell mode.
Let's look at the experimental setup. The DUT is the MN54L-C15, using a chip antenna placed deep inside the container as the slave. The module was oriented along the R90 positive y-axis, the angle that achieved the best data in previous tests, to ensure optimal matching.
And the highlight this time is the comparison of the master device. They used 2 comparison devices. Master device A, MN52H-U40, industrial grade, TX power, plus 8 dBm. Master device B, iPhone 7, consumer grade, TX power, 0 dBm. For reference, this comparison is absolutely crucial.
Why is it crucial? Because developers often test modules using their phones, but this experiment is designed to prove that the low power of a consumer phone simply cannot measure the true capability of an industrial-grade module.
Let's jump straight to the results. In this extreme metal-shielded environment, the iPhone 7 as the master achieved an effective communication distance of just 60 meters. While this distance is sufficient for basic monitoring inside the cab, it's quite limited. But when the master was switched to the industrial-grade MN52H-U40 with plus 8 dBm, the distance instantly surged to 81 meters.
Wow, that's a massive difference of 21 meters in effective communication range. In a container yard, that 21-meter margin could be the key to locating an asset versus losing contact completely.
And let's not forget that these are the recorded distances under the condition of 0 packet loss.
It's exciting to imagine what unforeseen applications this extra attenuation margin could inspire.
The strength of the MN54L and MN52H ecosystem lies in 2 unique points. First, the plus 8 dBm high transmit power. The strong signal within legal limits can punch through metal and provide stable connectivity. However, high power isn't the only special feature. Amplifiers can do that. Therefore, the second unique point is the real key. That is the superior receiver sensitivity. Excellent antenna tuning allows it to receive those weak signals that consumer phones discard as noise. This is where the core technology lies.
So, the experimental conclusion is clear. If you want to validate industrial asset tracking performance, relying on consumer-grade Bluetooth devices, phones or tablets, will yield understated results. Professional hardware is essential to unlock the full potential of the MN54L.
In summary, this research proves that the MN54L module is the container blind spot Terminator. It can be applied in smart logistics, providing real-time status updates from within sealed containers. Warehouse management, penetrating deep metal racking systems. Data centers, monitoring sensors inside server cabinets.
Exactly. This experiment successfully validated the reliability of the MN54L in the most hostile metal shielding environment. This is truly great news for industrial IoT. Compared to the open field test, the transmission distance with the same equipment dropped from over 2 kilometers to less than 100 meters. The attenuation rate exceeded 90%, proving that this arch nemesis, metal shielding, is truly deserving of its title. Finally, thank you all for watching. Please continue to follow our show. If you like our content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye-bye.
See you next time. Bye-bye.